Ever had issues with your computer mouse not working properly? Not to worry, it's a common issue, and often it's something you can fix yourself. First things first, check the physical connections. If it's a wired mouse, make sure the USB or PS2 connector is securely plugged into the appropriate port. For a wireless mouse, ensure it has fresh batteries and is properly paired with the computer. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Consider restarting your computer. This act can miraculously resolve minor software glitches that may be causing issues with the mouse. If the problem persists and you're using a wired mouse, try plugging it into a different USB port on your computer. This can help determine if the issue is with the port itself. Now, let's move on to slightly more technical stuff. Open Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Device Manager. Locate the mouse under Mice and Other Pointing Devices. A yellow exclamation mark next to the mouse indicates a driver issue. Right-clicking on the mouse and selecting Update Driver will search for updated drivers online. Alternatively, you can uninstall the mouse driver and restart your computer to let Windows reinstall it automatically. If you have the opportunity, test the mouse on another computer. If the mouse works fine on another computer, the problem may be with your computer's hardware or software settings. Keep in mind that dust and debris can accumulate on the mouse sensor or the surface it glides on, affecting its performance. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clean the sensor and mouse pad. Next, navigate to the mouse settings in the control panel or system preferences, depending on your operating system. Here, you can adjust parameters such as pointer speed, button assignments, and scrolling behavior. Sometimes, third-party software or drivers can conflict with the mouse's functionality. Try disabling unnecessary startup programs or temporarily uninstalling recently installed software to see if it resolves the issue. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to replace the mouse. It could be faulty and need to be replaced. Remember, troubleshooting a mouse involves identifying and resolving issues related to its hardware or software functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and resolve most common issues with a computer mouse.